Welcome to the SREF series, where I'll be showcasing 100 unique Midjourney styles in each episode. Now, you might notice that some of the characters in these images look a little off, maybe a missing leg, extra fingers or eyes that aren't quite where they should be. Don't worry, this happens because these images are simple style examples, not fully developed characters. When you use your own text prompts, Midjourney will form the characters properly and apply the style to your creation. Think of these examples as a preview of the artistic possibilities, not the final result. It's also worth noting that these styles are not organized by similarities, colors, or any specific theme. They simply appear in numerical order. Some styles might look very similar to each other, especially the anime ones, with only slight differences between them. Each episode will have a quick intro and outro, but the styles themselves won't be read out loud. You'll see the images on screen with their corresponding style reference number and text prompt details overlaid. This way you can focus on the visuals and easily follow along. Let's jump in and explore some incredible styles.